Nexus is built on 4 blocks that work together. Data models define your schemas, mapping profiles define how data moves between them, test center proves a mapping is right before it reaches production, and monitor runs the whole thing unattended. Everything starts with a data model, a reusable schema definition decoupled from how it's eventually used. CSV, XSD, JSON, or EDI, it doesn't matter where the data comes from, and even multi-file enterprise XSD schemas are supported. EDI is notoriously painful to onboard, since matching a real-world file to the right message template is usually manual work. Nexus shortcuts that it can read a PDF of an EDI specification and auto-detect the matching template, removing the manual lookup altogether. Every field in a schema can also be marked mappable or not. That's the exact knowledge surface the AI assistant draws from later, full, deliberate control over what the AI is allowed to see. A mapping profile is where 2 schemas become a transformation: field mappings, validation rules, and a transformation pipeline, all in one place. AI can propose a complete field mapping in a single step, scored by confidence. For a more visual approach, the blueprint mapper lays source and target fields side by side. Every save to a mapping profile is versioned automatically, Git style. Each version carries a full diff of what changed, added, removed, or modified, and any version can be reverted to or branched off into a brand new profile, so exploring an alternative never risks the original. Before a mapping touches production, it runs through Test Center continuous integration, but for data mappings. A whole regression suite can run as a single batch, with results tracked pass, fail, or error down to the individual field. And the AI behind these predictions isn't locked to one provider. Heuristic rules, Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, even a tiered cascade are all available, with a tunable confidence threshold. Once a mapping is trusted, Monitor takes over and runs it in production, unattended. Active rules, trigger counts, and success rate are tracked live, alongside every file that's been processed. A rule watches a folder for a file pattern, then validates or transforms matches, strict, lenient, or log-only. Files can also be processed on demand, with results landing immediately in the activity log, and any failure surfaces its exact validation error inline. 4 pieces, 1 system. Define your data once, map it with AI and full version history, prove it works in Test Center, and run it unattended in Monitor. That's Nexus.